Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, hi, my name is Maria, and if you're not, hello again and thank you very much for watching. So in today's video we're going to be talking about something that the beauty community has been really raving about these past couple of months, and I know I'm a little bit late to the game, but I'm really excited to test it out. And of course I'm talking about the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation, and this one is in the color soft beige, and I'm really excited to test it out finally. It's supposed to be perfect in every lighting, and it costs only $5, so yeah, I'm expecting great things from this one. So yeah, without further ado, let's begin. Okay, I'm going to test the foundation out by using a brush on one side of my face and a beauty blender on another. But before I do that, I'm going to prime my skin using the NYX Photo Loving Primer, which is one of my favorites, so let's do that. Let's talk a little bit about what this foundation claims to do, and then we're going to test those claims out. And I was actually inspecting this bottle earlier, and I cannot see any claims about the wear time, about the finish, or about the type of coverage it provides. There's nothing on the packaging. The only claim I can see here is that this foundation helps eliminate white particle reflection. It looks good under any lighting, and that's a great thing. So it doesn't give you that flashback, but usually foundations with SPF give you that flashback. The SPF in the foundation gives you that flashback, so this is probably just a foundation without SPF. Everything else we're going to test out and see, because I cannot tell you anything from the packaging. The packaging itself is really nice. It comes in a glass container, which is amazing for $5. It's really amazing. It doesn't have a pump, which is too bad, but not terrible. And yeah, I'm going to test it out now. Okay, so this is the one layer of foundation. I'm not really blown away by this foundation. I don't understand so much hype about this foundation. It's not that bad, but it's not something I'm really raving about. I love the finish with the beauty blender much more. It did cling a little bit to some of my dry spots. I think it's light to medium coverage. It's not medium to full, but I think you can build it up because the formula is very thin, and I'm going to try that out now. So I'm going to apply another layer now. Okay, so this gave me a little bit more coverage, but it still doesn't look that great. I don't know, maybe they make it differently for different markets, but I'm not wowed by this. I'm actually really not wowed by this foundation, so yeah. There isn't much sun today, but you can probably see what it looks like. Okay, it's time to give you my final thoughts now, and my final thoughts are that I really don't like this foundation that much, and I know that's a very unpopular stand at the moment because every beauty guru in the world has raved about this foundation, and I don't know, maybe it's just bad for my skin type. I have drier skin and this is a matte foundation. It tends to cling to dry spots, which I don't like, and maybe it would look perfect on oilier skin type, but you can definitely see it on my skin. You can see it inside, it's visible in the sunlight. It gives you like not a medium type of coverage, but light to medium. You can build it up. It works best with a beauty blender. And yeah, I'm sorry I don't like it actually. I was really expecting so much out of this foundation that's probably the reason I'm disappointed. So I'm going to keep testing it out and trying it, and I'm going to leave additional thoughts in the description box below. So yeah, that concludes this video. I hope it was helpful to you, and I really hope to see you again soon. Bye!